Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video, tutuloy natin yung ating series on ratio and proportion. No? And kung napanood niyo yung previous video, pinag-usapan natin doon kung kailan ba naging proportion ang dalawang ratios. No? So, sabi natin, napag-usapan din natin doon sa video natin yon that equivalent fractions form a proportion. Okay, so magkaroon pa tayo ng konting discussion dito no, sa equivalent fractions. No? And for example, yung 6 3/4 tsaka 6/8 are equivalent fractions. No? And paano nga ba nakuha yung, paano ba sila, paano ba yung equivalent fractions ay, paano ba natin masasabi na ang dalawang fractions ay equivalent fractions? Well, pareho sila dapat ng value. No? For example, itong dalawang to, pag kinonvert mo yan halimbawa sa decimal, dapat pareho rin sila ng value. No? So, pag kinonvert mo sila sa percent, dapat pareho sila ng value din. So, this is 75% no? Pag nag-convert tayo, and this is also 75%. Therefore, these two fractions are equivalent fractions. Ang isang palatandaan pa na equivalent fractions ay kung makikita nyo, paano ba nakuha yung 6/8 sa 3/4? Ang ginawa natin is nag-multiply tayo ng 2. No? Nag-multiply tayo ng 2 sa numerator. No? Three times 2 no? Over 4 times 2. So if we multiply the numerator and the denominator of a certain fraction by the same number, no? So here, that number is 2. So mangyari, we get an equivalent fraction, no? So 3/4 and 6/8 are equivalent fractions. Of course, pag 3/4 tsaka 6/8 ay equivalent, ang 6/8 ay equivalent din siya sa 3/4. So pag pabalik naman, kung 6/8, paano naman siya maging 3/4, no? So magiging 6 divided by 2, no? 8 divided by 2, that is 3/4. Pabaliktad naman siya. So, ibig sabihin, if we can divide a certain number, no? Or if you can divide the numerator and the denominator of a certain fraction with the same number, then the result is also an equivalent fraction. So, pabaliktad, pwede ka mag-times, pwede ka mag-divide, and you get an equivalent fraction, no? Now, bakit importante yung equivalent fractions, no? Dito, meron tayong isang mapapansin sa equivalent fractions. Tingnan natin. Balik tayo sa 3/4 at sa 6/8. So, 3/4 is equal to 6/8. Ano napapansin nyo pag nag-cross-multiply tayo? What is 4 times 6? That's 24, di ba? What is 8 times 3? It's 24. So, these are equivalent fractions and they're cross product. Ewan kung cross product o tawag dyan. Minsan tinatawag nila cross product kasi alam ko na cross product is a linear algebra. But anyway, if you cross multiply the product, the result is the same. No? So another equivalent fractions, halimbawa ang equivalent fractions ng 4/5 times 3 kunwari, times, kanina dito times 2, times naman natin sa 3, magiging 12 over 15, di ba? So, try nga natin. 5 times 12 is 60. 15 times 4 is also 60. So, actually, palaging ano yan, palaging yung pag nag-cross multiply tayo pareho, pag equivalent fraction. Siyempre, pag hindi siya equivalent, pag hindi pareho, hindi yun equivalent. Now, bakit natin pinag-uusapan yung equivalent fractions tsaka yung product nila pag cross multiply mo? Anong kinalaman dun sa ratio, no? So, remember na yung ratio na yan, pwede natin siya i-represent also as yung may colon, di ba? For 3:4, tapos yung equivalent niya, 6:8. Anong kinalaman niyan dito sa cross multiplication? Ano yung multiply natin sa 8 dito? Di ba yung 3? Ibig sabihin, itong 8 at saka 3 yun ang multiply natin. Silang dalawa. Tapos, yung isa naman, 4 at saka 6. Okay? Merong special na tawag yun sa mga numbers na yan. Yung 6 tsaka 8 yung nasa labas, ang tawag natin dyan ay extremes, no? These are the extremes. Okay? At yung nasa loob naman, ang tawag natin dyan ay means. So, ano ang ibig sabihin yan? Diba? Pag multiply mo, malalaman mo siya pag ang dalawang ratio ay proportion if the product of their extremes, no, is equal to the product of their means. Okay, so yan yung isang concept na dapat nating tandaan. So two ratios are proportion or form a proportion. Proportion if the product of their means equals the product of their extremes. Okay? Okay, so bago tayo magtapos, ay mag-solve tayo ng isang problem. No? I don't know if it's a problem, it's just an exercise. So, pwede nating sabihin na 3, maybe 5 is to 8 is equal to n is to 24, for example. No? So, what is the value of n para sila maging proportion? Sabi, product of the means. So, the product of the means is equal to the product of the extremes. No? So, meaning 8 times n. 8 times n is equal to 5 times 24. Meaning n is equal to 5 times 24 divided by 8. Pwede tayo mag-cancel. Magiging 3. So, n is equal to 15. Okay? That's the value of n. Or kaya, kung gusto nyo, i-represent natin siya as fractions. We have 5/8 equals n 24th. And again, 8n, cross-multiplying, we have 8n equals 24 times 5. And I think babalik tayo dito. So, n is equal to n is equal to 24 times 5 divided by 8, no? So, magka-cancel ulit tayo dito, 3, which is 15. Okay, so with whatever pwede kayo mag-ganito, no? Kung gusto nyo, pwede rin kayo mag-fraction. Okay, so that's it. Yan yung ating example o yan yung ating paliwanag, yung relationship among equivalent fractions, ano pa, yung representations, and of course, yung ating ratios, no? So, maraming salamat. Gusto ko yung invite sa zip9.com. Diyan yung ating website. Nandiyan nakalagay yung ating mga videos na nakalista na, no? Sunod-sunod na yan. And of course, kung gusto nyo mag-subscribe kayo sa ating YouTube channel, no? Just click the subscribe button below the video and para maging updated kayo sa mga susunod natin na videos, no? Okay, maraming salamat. See you and enjoy mathematics. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.